Is Acorns still a smart way to invest in 2025? It's a question a lot of new investors are asking, and the answer, like with anything financial, is a little complicated. Acorns has made a name for itself by making investing incredibly simple. You sign up, link your accounts, and its signature roundups feature takes your spare change from purchases and puts it into an investment portfolio. It's a fantastic way for people who struggle to save to start building a habit, and a lot of that still holds true. For just a few bucks a month, you get a diversified portfolio of ETFs, an IRA for retirement, and even a checking account. It's an all-in-one financial hub for the hands-off investor. But what about the cost? The flat monthly fee, which has a few different tiers, is still a major talking point. For someone just starting out with a small account balance, that $3 or $6 per month can feel like a significant chunk of change. If your account is only a few $100s, that fee eats into a large percentage of your returns, especially in a down market. However, as your account grows, the fee becomes a much smaller percentage of your overall portfolio, making it less of a concern. So, who is Acorns for in 2025? It's still a fantastic starting point. If you're a beginner who wants a simple, automated way to start investing without having to think about it, Acorns is a top contender. The platform is designed to get you in the habit of saving and investing, and features like their Acorns early custodial accounts for kids and a new option to add individual stocks for gold subscribers make it a more comprehensive offering than ever before. But for the more experienced investor, or someone with a larger balance, it may not be the best long-term solution. You have less control over your investments compared to other platforms, and competitors like Betterment or even fee-free options like Robinhood might offer more flexibility and potentially lower costs for larger portfolios. In the end, Acorns in 2025 is still a great entry point into investing. It's a tool built for financial wellness, not for day trading. It's for those who value automation, simplicity, and building wealth over time, penny by penny. If that sounds like you, it's definitely worth checking out. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.